How to change time zone in pocket option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're feeling confused because the chart time doesn't match your local time in pocket option, then here's how you can easily fix that by changing the time zone. First of all, launch open the pocket option application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, select Time Zone and then make sure that you've turned on this automatic detection option, and this will automatically detect your time zone. If it detects the incorrect time zone, then you can switch the automatic detection off, tap on the drop down underneath it and select a different time zone you want to switch to. So right there, you have successfully changed your time zone according to your preference. Now your trading analysis will feel more accurate and less confusing. So there you have it. That is how you can change your time zone in Pocket Option application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.